Mwanjo murikereri ni betamanyire ni goya kwa gosarigwa magayo muriro gwateka mugasorero ase enyomba y'oburaro ya skuru ya secondary y'abamuraya nyakeirie yogotoka ime y'eward ya Sensi ebunge hector chache north county ya Kisii korengana mukomanda honyanyimbo ase sub county ya John Kimutai wikabono yacha muriro tikira manyekaniga gose tikira manyekana na niga mirobori yonthi yachakirio kwa nekibda ama mirobori ya masomo gweranirire buna botambe buna gutumia murikito Daniel Ontiri.
Emirobelio ya botambe nigo ya turubana ase skuru iga ya bomura ya nyakeiri magiga y'omurero gosamba na gosaria nibe nyinge ase nyombe iga y'oboraro ase aborokigwa be grade G10 ase aborokigwa 53 egati abo basiri ebirarero ebitabu chibox chiabo egati y'ebinde binge koreng'ana n'abateneria baiga omurero nigo bwata ang'e chinsa isananemo mugaso chinga kia borokigwa bagenderete na masoma ba mugaso oyo nonye nabo oli migwa na borokigwa bakubwaterena nabo bisa bibasokano aboigo bakolimi muliro kurwase county ya Kisii oyo mwelio ocha kolima chinga kine benyinge konye yasaligwe nakorengana no mukomanda bo nyimbo asense miga ekeyo chakia tikira manyikana.
Dome was housing 88 grade 10 students. At the time of the fire, all the students were in classroom. They had just returned to class from the tea break. None of the students was injured. We have confirmed that all of them are safe. The DCI visited the scene of crime personnel going through the dome to try and establish the cause of fire. Also are making arrangements to make sure that all the kids are taken care of after this incident.
Asense mwende niko batebo buna emirobelio ya chakigwe buna enchiremo yokoene kibuna amasomo airenerwe boikereno.
Now plans are being made to accommodate the students and make them comfortable because it is the agenda of the government that no student should be out of school as we speak. Two, we want to assure the parents that all kids are accounted for and there should be no need for worry or panic. We are also carrying out investigations and a report will be made very soon on the course and on the way forward. So right now the situation is calm and it has been contained.
Aborokigwa baiga nigo yabetereria batigare ase skuru kubwatekana no gochika we serikali goro yaborokigwa be grade G10 na mabolio nigoro yasaborokigwa baiga 53 ase barachikorara na mono ase botuko bwarero ase kubolia kwabeko gocha serikali no burai bwa Kitutu Chache North kubasira chinga kebo bisa bobotuki bobosalia DCI baigekire obotuki na bateba ngo bwatuka baroroboti igoro yegekorekiga amatuke makare bosio nkurubaterega taseni kya gatembe kurega se county ya Kisii leterane ngoro kwa Daniel Ontiri.